guys, back to another video. As you can see here, Brookhaven has updated. So in today's update, we've got 40 new classic cars and trucks, also some more bug fixes. I'm not going to go over the bug fixes, I'm just going to go over the cars. So when you go in cars, looks like nothing has changed. Where is it? Did Brookhaven scam us? Oh, there. Okay, so here we've got a 3-wheeled car. Definitely not good for my height. Whee! That'd be good for some RPs. Next we've got this like car. If you know the film called Titanic, this car is from it. Well, it looks like it's from it. This is from like probably the 1980s or 1910s. No. Then next we've got this blue car with no roof. Got some good air to it. Oh, you can change the colour of these cars. Next we've got a premium car. Well, one with the engine uncovered. This one you can change a lot to. The next we have this white car, or this white Jeep looking thing. Then next we've got this cream looking car, which has been around for quite some time. Next we've got a caravan which we're used to. That's been in the game for quite some time now, but I guess they've moved it. Here we've got like this 2-coloured car. Okay, you can only change one part. Oh look, you can make it all white, or you can make it green and white like I just did. And then next we have the Ghostbusters. Can you change the colour? Yes you can. You change the colour of the car. Quite nice. The Ghostbuster logo. Oh, can you do anything from the roof? You can sit up there. Okay. Then next up we've got this truck, which you can't put anything in the back, but okay, that doesn't go down. Guessing you could probably put some props in there. Hey, maybe not. Can you not put props in these cars? I swear you could put props on cars. Okay. Oh. There we go. Some props were working, but not them all. So you can put some stuff in that. Okay, I just had an idea for an app for next week's video. Okay, next we've got this little car. You can change the colour and everything. Okay. Top we've got this car with like a grill on the top, which that would actually be perfect. Put bikes on top of. That'd be perfect to do that. Next up we've got vehicle unlock pass, which means you need that pass to do it. So yeah, you can change the colour. This actually looks quite cool. And then you've got like this roof car, which looks quite nice. A roofless car. Last up, another VIP car. Quite nice. It's like a sports car. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to click that like button or subscribe. See you all next time. Bye guys.